Every empty chair costs a clinic money. This is Remarketly for clinics, where WhatsApp booking, automatic reminders, and one patient record quietly cut your no-shows. Here is how. It starts in the app your patients already use. Aisha messages Noor Dental for a cleaning. The AA offers real slots, takes a small deposit, and books her in under a minute. Then the reminders run themselves. A friendly note 24 hours out, another 1 hour before, a one-tap confirm, and far more patients actually show up. Her booking becomes a simple pass. Date, time, dentist, and branch with the reminder already scheduled. No phone tag, no double booking, no forgotten appointment. And the empty chairs fill back in. One clinic cut its no-show rate by 71% from confirmations and timed reminders alone. Behind every booking sits one patient record: allergies, last visit, preferred dentist, every message, all keyed to a single phone number. Reception never asks who is this again. At the front desk, Aisha scans one code and the chat already knows her. Her record opens, her forms are signed, and check-in takes seconds. After the visit, her receipt lands on WhatsApp, and the same message politely asks her to rate the clinic on Google. One tap, no pushy phone call. Sent at the right moment. Those requests add up. Happy patients leave the review while the visit is still fresh and the clinic's rating climbs week after week. The quiet patients come back too. When a 6-month cleaning is due, Remarketly reaches out automatically with the next open slot already picked. Recall runs on its own. Ramy last came in 7 months ago. One recall message, one tap, and he is back on the calendar. That is reactivated revenue you never had to chase. And his record updates itself. The recall, the reply, the new booking, all stamped onto Ramy's profile. Every patient, active or lapsed, stays in one living history. Built for clinics. Regulator-aware templates, a per-message audit log, and PAI kept in your tenant. The AI books and reminds, but never gives medical advice. The scoreboard, a 12-second median first reply, no shows down as much as 71%, 98% open rates, and cover round the clock. Fewer empty chairs, more reviews, patients who come back. That is Remarketly for clinics. Start free at remarketly.io and follow for the next one.